Future-Proof Your Marketing: Emerging Technologies for 2025. Part 1: The Rise of AI in Marketing. Welcome to Future-Proof Your Marketing, your go-to series for staying ahead in the ever-evolving world of marketing. In this episode, we're diving into a game-changer: artificial intelligence in marketing. Segment 1: What is AI in marketing? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming marketing by enabling smarter, faster, and more personalized strategies, from predictive analytics that anticipate customer needs to automated content creation that saves time. AI is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Why AI matters in marketing. Personalization at scale. Data-driven decision-making. Efficiency and cost savings. Whether you're running a small business or managing a global brand, AI can give you the competitive edge you need. Segment 2: Key applications of AI in marketing. Let's explore 3 ways AI is making waves in marketing today. Personalization. AI analyzes customer behavior and tailors experiences, from product recommendations to targeted ads. Predictive analytics. Using AI, businesses can forecast trends and adjust strategies to meet future demands. Automated content creation. AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper generate high-quality content quickly, freeing up time for creativity. Segment 3: Real-life success stories. Still not convinced? Companies like Amazon and Netflix have set the standard for AI-powered personalization, driving massive customer loyalty and revenue growth. And guess what? These tools are accessible to businesses of all sizes. Segment 4: Where to start with AI in marketing. Here's how you can get started today. Identify repetitive tasks in your marketing workflow. Research AI tools tailored to your needs, such as email marketing or customer insights. Test small, start with one campaign or process before scaling up. AI is here to revolutionize marketing. Don't get left behind. Take a moment to identify one area in your current marketing strategy that could benefit from AI. Ready to take the leap? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next episode, where we'll explore augmented reality and its potential in marketing. Let's future-proof your marketing strategy together.